But anyway, so how does errorless learning work? Usually, if we're doing something like phonics flashcards, which is foundational for a lot of kids in the early stages, usually I would introduce the targets, but I'm going to show you how it works without even introducing them first, just so you can see how easy it can actually be. So let's say we've got a kid, even in like year 1 or 2, fairly severe dyslexia. Even if I gave them 2 choices, like I hold up 2 choices like this, put them on the table, and I'm like, which one of these says B? They're gonna get it right. Even if they've barely done any phonics at all, they're almost always going to get it right. Now, the reason that I can guarantee that is because I have chosen these flashcards to be very high contrast. They visually look very different and they sound very different. So even if we're not sure, the chance of us just guessing correct is pretty high. And of course, I've also just made it 2 choices. We can make this harder with 3, 4, 6, 10 choices, whatever. Or even better, ideally, I wouldn't even give them choices. I'd just be like, what does this say? But that comes down the line later. I'm saying the sound, they're just finding it. That's very, very easy. Now, of course, you may say, okay, well, that's consonants, they're easy. And yes, that's true. A lot of kids do already know most of the consonants, actually, in grade 1 or 2. It's the vowels that they have a lot of trouble with. It's the exact same principle, though.